In this tutorial, we'll explain how to maintain a single continuous recording of your stream, even if it gets interrupted. This can be useful if your network fails or if you need to adjust settings, such as your bitrate, while streaming. If you want to avoid manually stitching together parts of your recording, this quick life hack can save you a lot of time. Okay, here's our SRT server. Let's take a closer look. By default, stream inactivity timeout setting is set to 20 seconds. This means the SRT server will disconnect if no new stream data is received within this time. Let's keep it for now. And here's our recording process. Let's turn it on. For this demonstration, we're going to use a generated test video. To do that, we create a restream and set its input type as generate test video. And we'll specify our SRT server as the output. Here's our generated video stream being sent to the SRT server. And the recording is also active. If you click on this folder, you'll see our recorded file. The rec icon shows that the file is currently being recorded. Now let's simulate a situation where our stream disconnects momentarily. To do this, we'll stop our restream process. To make it more real, we'll have to wait for a while. Okay, now let's turn our restream back on, as our stream came back online. And now let's go back to the recording section and check our recorded files. As you can see, there are now two separate recorded files, the original and a new, actively recorded second file. To merge these into a continuous video, you'll need to stitch them together later. Now let's figure out how we can stop this file splitting from happening. Let's get back to our SRT server. To protect our recorded files from splitting, or at least reduce the likelihood of this happening, we'll increase the stream inactivity timeout. You can set it to 1 or 2 minutes or even longer. Just ensure it's a finite number. In our example, we'll set it to 60 seconds. Let's test it to see if there would be any difference. Now that our generated video is coming to our SRT server and is being recorded, we'll simulate the stream interruption once again. As before, we're going to stop our restream with the generated video, wait for a bit, then turn it on again, as if there was a network issue. And because we've extended our stream inactivity timeout, our video recording will not stop despite the interruption. As you can see, we still have a single file that is being continuously recorded. Great. However, since there were no video frames for a period of time, there will be a gap in our video, meaning there will be a moment where the video jumps forward. Let's demonstrate what this effect looks like. To do that, we need to stop our recording and wait for the file to process. Once that's done, we can play back the file. We've skipped ahead to the part where the gap in the video frames occurs. Notice how the countdown was at 1 minute and then it suddenly reset to 0 minutes. Let's watch it once again, but a bit closer. Here it goes again. And once again. This is the end of this life hack. Try Callaba for free on AWS.